Hey guys, man, oh my god, it's snowing like crazy outside. I'm gonna go outside with you guys. Okay, ready? Okay, that's what it looks like outside. I don't know if you can see it because the snow's really, really fine, but that's what it looks like. Can you believe that? Okay, I'm gonna get dressed for the snow. I'll put you guys there. You guys get a beautiful view of my ceiling. I put on my heavy duty, what is this? Combat boots. With my red freaking pants that don't go with it at all. And problem with these boots, you can never tell which foot they go on. I gotta guess. It's not enough. I need to get my TRG hat. What do you guys think? Okay. I'm gonna go outside with y'all. You guys get to experience snow with me. For those that don't get to experience it. Some people don't get to experience it, you know. People who live in the southern states, people who live in Australia. I don't think you guys in Australia even get snow at all. I mean, it gets colder there, I think, but... By the way, if I have any fans that live in Britain, I love y'all. Big fan of Britain. Even though there are enemies at one point in time. Big fan. Yeah, look at me, I'm a big Eskimo lady. Are you ready? We're outside right now. Oh my god, guys. The snow is so deep. Oh my god. Okay. Don't worry about my phone as much in snow because it's ice, you know. Oh my god, guys, it's so deep. It was so... Something just happened. It started a new clip, so I'm just gonna go with that. So it was so crazy that the wind was so, the wind's not as intense as it was, but it was blowing like crazy. My dad's snowballing. Let's go. Hey, dog. My dog's here. Actually, I don't think you guys have seen my dog. Hey, Herbie, they want to see you. He's a dumbass. He's named after Herbie. Because when we got him, I had just seen that Lindsay Lohan movie. You know, Herbie, Fully Loaded or whatever. And I loved it. And so they're like, let's name him Herbie. And we should have named him Thumper. Because that's what all he does is he thumps. They call me Thumper. That's because I thump. Yeah. Yeah, you're so irritating. Yeah. Oh, you're so dumb. I love you. My dad is snowballing. Let's go check this out. Believe it or not, I have class. And I don't even know. I have a friend who lives all the way, very far away. I don't like to say where people live. But she lives very, very far away. And I don't know how she's going to get here. Because I would be terrified of driving this. And when you're a young driver, my dad's like, oh, whatever. I've been driving for 65 years. I don't even, or 50-something because he started driving when he was 13. But, oh my god, guys. Okay, here. Okay, here. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. That is how deep. Okay, the grass is here, right? Grass is here. And so this over here is snow.